Hi everybody, it's Stu. How are you doing? You know what I want to do tonight? Just show you something really quick and simple that you can do for dinner and saving a lot of money right now. My family loves, and your family will love it too, it's a crowd pleaser. I just picked up this chicken at the store. Look what you get right here. This is 3 pounds for all this chicken right here. And one of the things I did was I just took and sliced through it and just made them into thinner pieces. This is a deal right now. I'm gonna put some Stu's Simply Marinara on it. And then over here I have a pound of fresh made mozzarella that we do at the store every single day. Look at that. It's really creamy. That's why kids like it. That's why this is such a good meal right here. So here's all you have to do. Take the chicken right here. I'm gonna lay it in this dish. Stack it on top of each other, no problem. And then I'm gonna take a whole jar of this right here. The reason that we call it Simply Marinara is look it simply has Italian tomatoes, fresh garlic, fresh carrots, fresh onions, pure olive oil from Italy, fresh basil, oregano, salt, and pepper, period. That's it. I'm just gonna take this entire container right here. How simple. That's all you do with that. You don't even have to really do too much. This is going in here, putting it in at 300 degrees. 10-15 minutes. After about 10 minutes, I'm gonna take the mozzarella here, fresh made mozzarella every day, and I'm gonna lay that on top, and then I got some fresh basil over here too. You know, what's better? And I may sneak a little garlic in here because I love garlic. We go through a ton of that. You know, one of the other things I want to ask you about, just mentioned to you, sell-by dates. It's something customers ask us all the time. Today's the 20th. This says sell-by the 22nd. I just picked this up at the store today. We feel 2 days is okay. This will easily last a week. It's not going to be as great after a week. It's going to be a little harder and a little more firm. It's not going to go bad on you. Same thing with the chicken right here. If you notice, sell-by date the 23rd. This will last 7 days, easy, in your refrigerator if you keep it cold. Same thing with milk. Don't worry about that sell-by date on milk. It always lasts longer than that. We have to be extra vigilant at the store because we have to plan if you left it out on your counter for a while for kids leaving a container of milk out on the table. But at the store, when we do our quality control tests, it lasts well beyond the date. But I know Jerry Seinfeld even has a funny skit on that.
You ever had milk the day after the day? Scares the hell out of you, doesn't it?
I'm not like freaked out. Come on over, we're gonna check some wine out. My daughter Blake, who actually is videoing this right now, you wanna just talk about this for 1 second? Let me take this. I'm gonna put you on the spot. Look, she's having a baby, and how long?
2.5 weeks.
2.5 weeks.
But this is a really great seller. It got 92 points from James Suckling. It used to be a blending grape with Sangiovese. It's from Italy. They've started now to make it just on its own. It just has this really juicy flavor, and it's a little bold, but it really finishes nice. You do get a little tiny bit of tannins, but we thought tonight with the mozzarella and the chicken that it would be a delicious complement.
Tell them what the price of that is.
Under $14.
Yeah, and this is sort of a hot seller right now, this endless weekend.
And it's a really nice French rosé. The label is very eye-catching. And then on the rocks is a prepared cocktail, and these have been so popular this year. Single serve, but 1 to 2 depending upon how you want to drink.
How much you want to drink.
Exactly.
What do they
Under
roll?
$11.
Under 11, and how about the endless weekend?
Also under 11.
Great deals. We're gonna check on that chicken right now, and I'm gonna have some of this. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just taking and laying this mozzarella, and you can see how nice that is. Basil, love basil. Fresh, local. Boom, that's it. Doesn't that look great? Don't forget, this is like a $20 meal right here. $30, including the wine. The chicken's on sale this week. Chicken prices are way low. Doesn't that look beautiful? Now, I did bump the oven up. Look at that. I put it up to 400. Should be like 5 more minutes. I sort of lost my video crew here tonight. Just want to show you what we ended up with here. Yum. Voila, that's my dinner for a Sunday night right now.